Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange here in South El Monte, California, just 20 minutes east of Los Angeles, California, with over 1,500 new and used machine tools in stock, such as press brakes, lathes, grinders, CNC machines, saws, and much more. Today what we're going to show you is a nice closing lathe. This is a 12 by 36. You're going to have 12 inches over your bed by 36 inches between centers. Very small, simple machine. Closing is a very good brand. We have the machine on right now. I'll point out a couple of the features that it does come with. It's got a KDK tool holder here. It's got a quick change collet closure, really nice. 3-jaw chuck, looks like somebody's fashioned some aluminum chucks on here, soft jaws. And you'll notice here's the variable speed. We'll go ahead and run the machine for you, very simple. Turn it on, you see the machine moving. I'll go ahead here and increase the speed for you or decrease it. Right now we're going slower, you'll notice. It's very easy to change the speeds on this guy. We'll go ahead and move it back up. Make sure to turn this slowly. Only turn when the motor is running, of course. And right there, we're at about 280 RPM. I'll go ahead and show you the functions of the feed. When you push down, very simple levers here. Push down, you're going to have your cross feed. Pull up on it, and your longitudinal. Show you that once again. We push down, you get your cross feed and longitudinal, as well as you'll notice the screw is turning right here. We'll go ahead and put it into threading mode. Now take a look at the pictures and all the information. It's going to show you all the different threading options you do have on this machine. All in all, everything seems like it's in good condition here. Everything seems pretty tight. You can see how everything's moving nice and smooth. Ways are in good condition. There's no gouging or any scoring marks anywhere there. We'll go ahead and stop the machine. Power it off. Now if you're interested in this lathe or any other, this is a nice hobby lathe. We carry these all the way up to 300 plus inches long. Please give us a call at 626-444-0311. You can check out our tooling. We have a huge tooling site at tooling.sterlingmachinery.com. Pretty much going to go over all the different chucks, tool posts, and different options you can have on just about any tool that we sell. And of course, our financing options are changing every single day. So give us a call, 626-444-0311, and check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com.